Greenwood High wins Karnataka State School Chess Championship title. Union Budget 2025 announces major education push, 6,500 new IIT seats and 10,000 medical seats. Union Budget 2025-26 announces rupees 1.28 lakh crore for education, major push for IIT and medical seats. Union Budget 2025 rupees 500 crores for Center of Excellence in AI for Education. Maharashtra to set up India's first AI university.
Welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: Greenwood High International School emerged as the champion of 10th Karnataka State School Chess Championship, which concluded on Friday, that is 31st Jan. With an impressive 118 points from 14 categories, they all claimed as overall titles. Sri Aurobindo Memorial School secured the runner-up position with 48.5 points, while Delhi Public School took third place with 43 points. Over 950 students from 31 schools participated in the two-day event. In individual category rankings, Greenwood High dominated, securing top spots across multiple age groups, including girls and open categories. The competition saw exceptional talent with schools like Vidya Shilpa Academy and New Horizon Gurukul also making notable achievements. This year's event highlighted the growing interest and skills in school-level chess. Let's look into the budget 2025 that has to offer for education sector. In a significant boost to India's education sector, the Union Budget 2025 announced the addition of 6,500 new seats across 5 IITs over the next 5 years. These seats, primarily for undergraduate BTech courses, will be rolled out in phases at IIT Palakkad, Dharwad, Jammu, Bhilai and Tirupati. Alongside Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman unveiled plans to increase medical seats by 10,000 within the next 5 years, aiming for a 75,000 seats expansion in 5 years. The budget also emphasizes infrastructure upgradation at IIT Patna and introduces new fellowships under the PM Research Fellowship schemes. The total education allocation has been increased to rupees 1.28 lakh crore, reflecting a strong commitment to expanding India's educational capabilities. Next on the budget, we had the Finance Minister also announced the creation of 50,000 Atal Thinking Labs to foster scientific curiosity among students alongside broadband connectivity for all government schools and primary healthcare centers. In addition to this, the Bharatiya Bhasha Pustak scheme will provide digital version of Indian language books, and 500 crores will be allocated for setting up a center of excellence in artificial intelligence of education. In a key announcement under the Union Budget 2025-26, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman unveiled plans to establish a center of excellence in artificial intelligence for education with an investment of rupees 500 crore. The initiative aims to transform the education sector by fostering innovative and enhancing learning quality. The center builds on the government's 2023 initiative to set up similar centers for AI in agriculture, healthcare, and sustainability. Industry experts believe that AI's integration into education is revolutionizing personalized learning, adaptive assessments, and content creation. This shapes the future of education landscape, and the move signals a significant commitment to advancing AI research and its practical implications in education. In a groundbreaking move, Maharashtra has announced plans to establish the first country's artificial intelligence university. The university will focus on promoting AI research, development, and innovation. It will also serve as a hub for collaboration between industry and academics and the government. The state's Information Technology Minister Ashish Shelar revealed that the task force comprising experts from academia, industry, and government has been formed to oversee the planning and implementations. The university aims to position Maharashtra as a global leader in AI education, skill development, and technological innovation. This initiative is aligned with BJP's election manifesto to harness technology for development. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theenn.com powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.